Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an awesome shot glass tray which you can then use at your functions or just give it away as a gift. So let's get to it. Now there are many ways how you can make one of these shot glass trays. Previously I made quite a few of them by using my bandsaw, my jigsaw and then my drill press to do the holes. Now this time I wanted to do something else. I thought of it and I was like, how can I incorporate a logo with the shot tray? And by that I'm not saying how can I make a shot tray and then just engrave a little image onto the wooden tray. By this I mean incorporating the shape of the logo with my tray to make it cooler. Let's see how I did that. Okay guys, I'm not gonna explain this step by step totally, but just to explain to you quickly what I've done over here is I've opened up my Lightburn program, which is for my laser engraver and cutter. I've created the shot tray using the pen tool and shapes over here on the left, and then dragged in a clip art with 2 shot glasses and the word cheers. And then I took the boolean tool and basically joined the shot tray and the clip art together. What you see in blue over here will be engraved on the shot tray, and the red is the cut out. So to cut out the wood, I'm basically going to use the speed of 150 millimeters per minute and then a maximum power of 95% and do a pass count of 3. For engraving, I'm basically going to use 6000 millimeters per minute for speed and a maximum power of 60% with 1 pass count. It should look cool. You can do it other ways by just creating a shot tray in Lightburn and then engraving a logo, word or clip art or anything just on the tray. What I've basically done is I took the clip art and put it here on the left of the tray so that I can get this nice shape, and I'm sure you will see how it looks like at the end of it. The shot tray is more or less gonna be about 40 centimeters in length, so I'm just gonna mark it and then we can go cut it. All good. Alrighty, it is all done. That came out nicely. Easy as. Now just for that part. There we go. I'm happy. Okay guys, so what you will see is still a lot of char and black smoke marks after we've done the cutting and engraving on this shot tray. So what we need to do is get some sanding done and get it all up to spec. So as you can see, all done and dusted. I've sanded the edges with hand, and then the top and bottom just with the sander with 220 grit. And now we can probably get to some routing on the edges. I took my router and round over bit and went over all the sides, especially the holes, just to give it that nice kind of smooth look. And you will see on the sides there's already a rustic look to it. That was the laser cutter as it was cutting the wood, but I'm now gonna take the burner and burn it up a bit to give it even more of a rustic look. So I just opened my varnish. It's a bit like a toffee inside here, so I think I probably didn't seal it well enough, and throughout the week it turned a bit hard. But yeah, I still think I can use it. Even if it's not perfect, no varnish is going to waste. Okay, before I reveal the product, I just want to say thank you for watching. Press the like button and don't forget to subscribe.